Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting files ready and picking the exact data to move. Open Excel, select the table or named range you need, and save both files. Once done, switch to Word and place the cursor where the data should appear. Make sure to save again to avoid lost links. You choose between pasting static content or linking for automatic updates, and that decision affects how you paste in the next step, so pick now and prepare to copy in Excel. Now you copy the selected range in Excel and return to Word to paste it correctly. Use Paste Special, then choose Paste Link and Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object to create a live link. Once pasted, adjust the object size and formatting so it fits your page. Right-click the object and check link options to enable automatic updates when the source file changes. Make sure both files remain in a stable folder. Relative paths finish by testing the connection. Change a value in Excel, save, and see Word refresh. If it does not, right-click the object and choose Update Link. Once satisfied, use File right arrow info right arrow edit links to files to manage or set update behavior, because this keeps control over sources and prevents surprises. If the link breaks, relink using edit links to files or move files into the same folder so relative paths work. This single troubleshooting step fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.